They are on two sides of the state, different in so many ways.
But alike when it comes to COVID, since the pandemic began, Cleveland recorded more than 75,000 cases. Cincinnati, nearly 54,000. Both cities are still getting hit. Cleveland had almost 200 new cases reported on Saturday. Cincy, almost 670 that day. And now the new mayors of both cities are teaming up, calling on the state to step up its game. As News 5's John Kosick reports, this is likely just the first of many times the two mayors will work together.
Justin Bibb and Aftab Puraval are two of Ohio's newest mayors from two of its three largest cities, who are both facing a health emergency in their first weeks in office in the surge of coronavirus cases. That's why they are combining their collective voices this day to call on the state for more help. In Cleveland, that is three things.
We certainly need additional capacity in Cleveland, particularly in communities of color, for the capacity of testing, first and foremost. I'd say, secondly, more N95 masks are critical. And then it's critical that we double down on the messaging on the importance of getting vaccinated and boosted.
Cleveland's overall vaccination rate is only 45%, and the mayor said it's a particular problem in the city's communities of color, where there has been, in his words, a history of medical racism.
We want to tackle that head on. And so we will be looking at some additional public engagement strategies to really address that lack of trust that exists in our hardest hit parts of the city.
Using door-to-door, clergy, and trusted voices to send a message to get vaccinated, which Bibb stressed he is.
I'm triple vaccinated and boosted. So, and when another one comes out, I'll be in the front line if I can.
The mayor said he's put together an all-new COVID-19 task force that will meet for the first time Wednesday. A collaboration of health officials, hospital CEOs, faith community, and other key stakeholders to make sure the city has a focused approach. Bibb was asked what he thought of the plan that had been in place when he took over from the Jackson administration. He wouldn't say.
Listen, this is a time right now to look towards the future, not the past.
And speaking of the future, both Mayor Bibb and Mayor Puraval are only in their 30s and already recognize in these first weeks that their combined voices from different parts of the state can make a louder statement towards getting things done. In Cleveland, John Kosick, News 5.